Welcome, I'm Praneeth, and we have done a project called Smart Pill Dispenser with voice announcement and wristband accessory. So our basically the model is designed to give voice announcement three times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. And when the voice announcement is made, the patient will also be wearing a wristband accessory, and a vibration alert will be given simultaneously. So once the voice announcement is given and simultaneously the vibration is given, the patient will come to the pill dispenser and he has to press the push buttons. Once the push button is pressed, the model will dispense the pill, respective pill, and once the pill is dispensed, through the GSM module, an SMS will be sent to the caretaker. Now I will be explaining about the components involved in a smart pill dispenser. This is the model of the smart pill dispenser. Here the pills will be stored. These are the compartments where the pills will be stored. Right? And this is the LCD display interfaced with I2C, which will display the time, day and date. Next comes the RTC module. This is the RTC module. This will make sure to keep track of time and date accurately. This is the GSM module through which the SMS will be sent. This is the speaker through which a voice announcement will be made. This is the voice playback module in which the announcements which to be made will be stored in the memory. Coming to this, these are the push buttons. When I press this button, first button will dispense the pill from here. First button will dispense the pills from here. Second button is this. Third button is this. Fourth button is this. The heart of the model is this is the ESP32 microcontroller. And inside here, two servo motors are used, 1 and 2. These are connected to CDs, CD number 1 and CD number 2, if you can see. Right. When the button is pressed, first button is pressed, the servo motor will rotate 90 degrees and the holes made here. If you can see here, there is a hole here. This hole will be matched here because the servo motor will rotate and the hole will be matched, and then the pill will be dispensed. Similarly for other compartments also. Now I will be explaining about the components used in wristband accessory. So this is the wristband accessory. Again, the heart of the module, half of the component is ESP32 microcontroller. The reason why we have used ESP32 is because it is cheap and it has Wi-Fi facility through which we can connect both the smart pill box and the wristband accessory. This ESP32 is connected to the LCD display. This is the Max 30102 microcontroller sensor. The job of this is to sense the heart rate and SpO2 level, and this is the body temperature sensor. All these three values will be displayed here in the LCD display. The medicines are scheduled to dispense at 4:20, 4:18, 4:20 and 4:22. Now the time is 4:16, 4:14. So as I mentioned earlier, the medicines are scheduled to be dispensed at 4:18 and 50 seconds. Now it's 48 seconds. Medicines are morning. Simultaneously, vibrations are happening there in the wristband. As I press the button here, the medicines are dispensed. And then the caretaker will get a phone call as a notification. This will be sent to the caretaker. We will get an SMS saying that headache medicine is taken. The next medicine is scheduled to be dispensed at 4:20. Now the time is 4:20 and 50 seconds. A voice announcement is made. The button is pressed. The pill is dispensed. Phone call is made to the caretaker. An SMS alert will also be sent saying that body pain medicine is taken. The third voice announcement will be made now. As you can see here, vibration was given. The button is pressed. The pill is dispensed, and we are getting a phone call. An SMS alert is also sent. So coming to the wristband accessory, the LCD display displays the heart rate of the patient and then SpO2 level and body temperature in Fahrenheit. So if any of these values goes below the vital critical points, then the caretaker can take certain measuring steps.